Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use QuickBooks as an accountant. First, let's dive into setting up your client's QuickBooks online account. You'll learn to efficiently manage their books, reconcile various accounts, and generate essential financial reports. We'll also explore the powerful accountant toolbox, designed to streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration with your clients. This approach ensures you maximize QuickBooks capabilities for optimal client service and productivity. QuickBooks provides a centralized client dashboard, giving you a clear overview of all your clients' financial health at a glance. Becoming a pro advisor unlocks exclusive training, certification, and dedicated support, significantly boosting your expertise. Automating recurring transactions, like monthly invoices or expenses, will save you countless hours and minimize the risk of manual data entry errors, allowing you to focus on higher value tasks for your clients. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Speaking of simple paths, managing client finances can be simplified with the right tools and mindset. That's why I want to quickly recommend a fantastic book, The Simple Path to Wealth. It truly changes how you think about money. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. To maintain accuracy, regularly review client accounts for any discrepancies or potential issues before they escalate. Implementing a standardized chart of accounts across your clients ensures consistency and simplifies your review process. Furthermore, leverage QuickBooks' custom reporting features to provide tailored financial insights, helping your clients make informed business decisions. These practices will elevate your service and build stronger client relationships.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.